Welcome to 7 days in Beijing Bird Nest National Exhibition Center, a convenient choice in Beijing. To book your stay, simply scan the QR code that appears on screen now, or check the link in the description below. This 2-star hotel is ideally situated, making it perfect for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in is a breeze, starting at 11 a.m., with the friendly staff ensuring a smooth experience. Getting there is easy. The hotel is only a 30-minute drive from the airport, saving you precious travel time. Built in 2007 and regularly renovated, 7 days in provides modern facilities, ensuring a comfortable and updated stay. You'll find a welcoming atmosphere whether you're here for work or a vacation. With 136 rooms, there's a variety of accommodation options to suit your needs. Each room is designed for comfort, offering a relaxing space. Plus, you'll enjoy free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. Remember to scan the QR code to book your stay at 7 days in Beijing Bird Nest National Exhibition Center today.